Hey guys, welcome back to my video channel. I'm Azim, as you remember. Sorry we've been gone and haven't been uploading for a year. My dad has been busy with the work, so we couldn't post any. But here I'm back, and we're gonna be making a breakfast sandwich, and it's so easy. It only takes 5 minutes. So we got provolone cheese. We got salted butter, or any butter or oil, it doesn't matter, but I prefer butter. And then 2 eggs. You could use 1 egg or 2. Any kind of sausage, but we got it from Costco. And then the burger buns, as you see. And then the one and only barbecue sauce. So let's start with turning on the fire. So fuel lock, turn that on. There it is. So, all right, so I just got the butter, salted butter, and I'm gonna put it on the pan. So obviously you gotta cook the butter so it goes everywhere. And I would say you should use salted butter or any kind of butter because it just gives you more flavor than rather plain oil. So, all right, so you could use 1 or 2 eggs, but I'm gonna be using 1. And we're gonna make it mixed. So the egg is almost ready. You don't wanna cook it too much because it's gonna get hard. So put it onto the pan and get all of the egg parts on there. All right, so there we go. I already boiled it, but I'm gonna fry it to make it more tasty. So I'm gonna cut it in half. All right, there it is. And I'm just gonna turn on the fire. I gotta flip it over again. I'm gonna just press on it to make it cook faster. Not that I'm in a rush, but why not? All right, so I'm gonna flip it over. So now we're gonna start making the sandwich. So I got the cheese. I'm not gonna melt the cheese because this is gonna get stick to the pan. So I'm gonna just. All right. So I already put in the cheese on the egg because I'm not gonna melt the cheese. So now let's start. All right. So I'm just gonna pick up the egg. It's not gonna be my fault if it spills. Well, if the cheese spills. All right, so just the sausages. You can flip them over to the meat, or the meat side, but oh well. All right, I'm not gonna use 4 sausages. So, and now barbecue sauce. This is already a spicy sauce. Sandwich is ready. Anytime you can eat it. And voila, there you have it. The one and only burger. All right.
Thank you, Azim.
Okay. Good. All right. He said he likes it, and I'm also gonna give it a try. Bye, guys. It's really good. I'm gonna leave you guys here, so make sure to subscribe, comment, leave the notifications bell again on so you don't miss a video that we make. Peace out. So good.